We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
What's up, guys? What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to our kitchen and Mom's Kitchen with the boys, and as always, you know I have lovely mom over here.
Ho 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 ho! Merry Christmas, everybody! Good to see you again. Compliment of the season.
Anyways, guys, if they hard and they red you cannot tell. Then we're in the season of giving.
Yeah.
Christmas, right?
Merry, yes.
Yeah. Anyways, guys, so I'm going to do something simple. I'm going to do something for the Christmas. I'm going to do something for the holidays. Just a holiday special. So anyways, guys, if you know you love cooking, make sure to stick around and drop a like on the video. It helps the video progress and move forward. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video.
So guys, today we are going to be preparing party jollof rice for this season, guys. In fact, you know what you need is jollof rice. So I'm going to be taking you along as you can prepare a delicious and yummy jollof rice.
The pan is empty and dried.
Yeah, the pan is dry. So now this is my chicken. So it's soft chicken, okay? So I prepped this last night with fresh pepper, garlic and ginger, then seasoning to taste. So now I'm going to be still boiling it. I will leave it on fire for at least about 5 minutes.
So you put water?
I'll add a little to this, so let me pour in this. For this cow meat, I'm not going to cook it. I'm going to be grinding it. Ground beef. Okay, so just please turn this and cover it.
So guys, we have diced the meat. As you can see, into tiny pieces, so to not stress the processor. So yeah, that's it. So you just have to just cut it.
Pack it into the processor.
Okay, this is the processor, and inside you put everything inside.
We haven't cut this.
Yeah, no. Now I'm cutting it.
So friends, here is my garlic. Then this what do they call it in English? I don't know, but it's persil in French. Please pardon me. I don't know if
is it basil?
Persil.
No, basil is bigger.
Persil.
Persil.
Yeah.
Persil.
So
leaves.
I used to call it persil.
There are thousands of leaves in this world.
So I don't know the name I don't know English. So please, if you know the name, please
comment down below.
Yeah, let me know.
If you know the name
we
of
are
the
in
leaf.
a season of ho.
It's not ho, it's ho.
Okay, Jeff, stop me. Any I say it, take it that way. Ho, right? Okay. So guys, I'm going to be blending it now. Then I will show you the finished product. So as you all know, there's no jollof rice without tomato. So these are fresh. This is fresh tomato and fresh pepper. In here, I'm using this particular pepper. How do I call this pepper? This is it. So this is the kind of pepper I'm using. I don't have the shepherd pepper here, but I prefer to use this because this one also can even serve more better than shepherd pepper. Shepherd pepper doesn't pepper. This one is very, very spicy, trust me. So I'll turning in my tomato into the pan.
Like that.
Yeah, I want to boil it.
Okay.
So that I can have this thickened this thing.
Okay, guys. You see, this is the tomato and pepper we put on fire. So now we're going to blend it. As you can see, it's soft.
Yeah, for a smoother.
So yeah, it's now like.
Now when you blend it, the thing will be very smooth, especially this particular pepper. Okay. If you blend it without boiling it like this, almost you won't be able. You will not even like it.
So yeah, guys, we're blending it now.
Yeah. This is our ginger. You are going to put ginger, and if you are making this, you need much of onion. The onion will help the stew not to be, slippery. Not like this fermenting taste. So when you use enough of onion, it will be sweet. It will be sweet. You can use the white onion if you have it. If you don't have it, you can use this other one. So all is the same purpose. Okay. There's no jollof rice without rice, right? So that's it. I'm adding salt into the uncooked rice. Now I'm going to be adding my water, boiled water, very boiled. Okay, then stir it. Please get here for our. We're going to be making our.
We'll add oil in the pan.
Mix it very well. This particular method is good for Jeff. Please help me close it. This particular method is good for party. Like you are making a bigger rice, you are cooking much, like a bag, 2 bags, so you can just pour the rice into a big bowl. Then you boil water and pour in it. Then you cover it for a while before you start washing it.
If you do that to boil by itself.
Like that now. Yeah, boiling it, okay? Before washing it. And after washing it, when you are cooking it, it will be very easy to cook, to done faster, okay? So I'm going to be covering it for a while. So this oil I use is the oil that I use in frying the chicken. So it's very useful. All the juices, all the sweetness of the chicken is into the oil, so I just have to use it, okay? Pour your onion. Next thing, I'll put in my tomato paste. I'm not using much of it because I have fresh tomato already. Okay, so allow it to cook for a while, like for 2 to 3 minutes before adding the fresh tomato paste. Okay, in goes the
mix, the tomato, pepper, ginger, onion,
garlic, everything.
The mixture we did that time before we blend it.
So it's going to be stirring it for a while.
Yeah, stir it for a while.
So we are going to be adding our seasoning in here. Add curry powder, thyme.
What time
then,
is it?
Spring onion. Stir it very well. Jollof rice is.
What time is it? That joke.
So my good and correct people, this is the blended meat. So it's going in now. As Chef Jeff is doing the mixing. Okay. This rice is going to be one of the best.
So you break the meat down, so it's not going to be one big fat. Yes.
So friends, this is the chicken stock. Turn it in. Jeff has been stirring this thing since, guys. It's not easy. You really need to do it because if you don't stir it, it will burn.
When she says since, it's almost like 6-7 minutes ago. So yeah, since.
So next now we're going to be adding our rice. This is the rice. I've washed it. Take it out from the warm hot water. So I'm putting it in.
Looking like getting stiff.
So at this point, I'll be adding my hot water. You don't have to add too much water, okay? Jeff, calm down. Here's hot water. A little. Okay. If I try it, it's not, the water is not enough, I will add water to it again. Pot is small. Just like using it because it will not burn. Even if it burns, it won't be much. Okay. This is our rice. As you can see. Okay. So at this point, I'm going to be putting veggies. has a lot of oil. I'm not sure I will be using the butter again. So I'm adding my veggies at this point. I saw somebody cook jollof rice without any of these veggies, but trust me, you know me now. I can't cook rice without using veggies. So if you like, you use it. It's optional if you like. If you don't like, cook it plain. But to me, this is the way I like cooking mine. So this cabbage, carrots, green pepper, and it's finished. Okay, carrots, cabbage, green pepper, and and green beans. That's what I was looking for. Here is it. Here is the finished product. So I'm just going to put in the butter. Then I will turn it. You see the jollof, the party jollof rice. Perfect. Perfect. When I say perfect, guys, oh my god, I'm salivating already. I will just mix it gently. It's ready. Okay. All right, guys. Catch you later.
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some fig.
Okay, guys, we are
done.
We are done.
Yeah, guys.
So as you can see, this is the final and the
Oh
finished
my god.
product.
You want to compare this with Senegal rice? They said it's Senegalese that have jollof rice, but I said no, Nigeria is the best. We have number one. Michelle, let me not overtalk. Guys, as you can see,
look at the rice here. So you see, soft, well garnished, with the potato we fried.
Plantain.
Sorry, the plantain we
Fried
fried.
plantain.
I said potato.
my guys, you guys are the best.
This rice is going to make you say ho ho ho.
Ho 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 ho. One more. Guys, this is.
Do you know when it hits? It's when you take the fresh plantain, the sweetness in it, then you come and move like some of the rice. Then you mix it together. When you've mixed it, then you have your.
Guys, you need to try this.
Then you go.
Go and try this, please, guys.
And look at the inside is tender, it's still soft. The rice done.
Then see the chicken. See how soft it is.
Look at this side. Look, when you press here, you know it's like it's. The chicken is
very soft and perfect.
my turn.
Soft and perfect.
Lovely.
Let me do like that. Mark wing.
Guys, over 20 videos on this channel, and I still enjoy every single one of them.
Try this rest.
So we are done. Ladies and gentlemen of the masses and everyone in between, this is the final product, and this rice is lovely. So if you know, you stay to the end of the video, you're a real one, drop a like, it helps the video, and yeah, comment what
like and share, please,
it
guys.
helps the channel.
And thank you so much to all my viewers. Thank you so much. Even my boys, I thank you all, because this is the end of the year. You guys are my real G. You guys really try. Starting from the cameraman, the editor, all I cannot name all. You guys are number one. Thank you so much. And for my lovely sister, and for my lovely sister, baby sis, thank you for this cap. In fact, you really make me.
Anyways, guys,
thank you all. Thank you all. Enjoy your Christmas. Stay safe, and see you in our next one.
Next year we'll do a new year special.
Yeah.
So anyways, guys, lovely. Eat healthy, stay healthy. I will see you next year. 2023.
Love you guys. Bye.
Peace.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry